Hi guys, welcome to my skincare routine. So firstly, I start with oral care. I use Colgate black charcoal toothpaste for my teeth, and it's so good. Trust me on this one. That's where you see all that smiley face comes from, my white teeth and stuff. So when I'm brushing my teeth, I brush my teeth on the sideway, and then in a circular motion as well. When I'm done, I rinse. I also make sure that you gargle every time after you brush your teeth. And for my skin, I use Gentle Magic soap. This one is a good one, trust me, and it's so gentle on your face, removes all dirt and impurities. When you're washing your face, always wash it in a circular motion using your hands for about a minute. This also helps in blood circulation and all that. And when I'm done, I rinse. I pet dry, just pet dry. And then next I use my Gentle Magic lotion, and this one is also, it also like removes the dirt that was left behind after you washed your face. And make sure that you clean wise on your face and your neck just for best results and all there. And then next I use my Gentle Magic oil. Well, with this one, it just gives that instant glow, and I massage it throughout my face and my neck as well, just to make sure that my skin absorbs that, because the glow there, especially like avocado oil, is the best, trust me. And look at that instant glow. Now look at her. Lastly but not least, I use my serum. I love this one because it removes all blemishes and you don't have any dark spots on you and all that. Now for my whole body, I use Vaseline argan oil. Argan oil is so nice. It's gentle as well on your skin, and when you just massage it throughout your body, you have to feel like your body has absorbed all the nutrients and all the vitamins it needs. And lastly, for my scents, I use, that's a Smart that I forget the number, but it's a good one as well. And then I also use Redolence, and this is just the secret behind that smiley face and happy soul you see. Thank you for watching.